Hello guys, this has been in the fridge like that, and the other way around to get it with the garlic is remove this before you put it in the fridge. So a few months later or so, like probably 2 weeks later, it grows like this. It's quicker. So the Australian garlic is need to be put in the fridge to cool, then it turn like this. So now it's time to go. Or otherwise, another one that without this is I soak this also in overnight. So when you soak this in overnight, this is what happened, guys. You use the light solution for the seaweed sea salt, and this is what happened. So once it's in overnight in the fridge, you remove them and then you can plant this in your soil. So let's go to get the soil. Yeah, that's good. So that's another tips around that if you're in Australia that you have to do that. Alright, so here it is. Let's go. I prepared the garlic thing here. So this one, stop, sit down, thank you. See, my puppy wanted to participate what I'm doing here. Okay, say hello to everyone. Hi guys. All right, don't eat that. So here it is. There is a manure, a chalk manure. I've got the premium pots soil, and also I got the compost soil from my compost bin that last month ago is finished. So I got 2 of them here. Of course, I got probably 16 of this garlic. The rest didn't really make it, so I didn't include it to soak it in the sea soil for overnight. So we have to get this done now while it's still nice and cold weather, and in the daytime it's still nice and warm. Let's say hello to everyone. Hello. Hi guys. See? Good boy. So here it is. Sit down. Sit. Good job. Wait for mama. Wait for mommy. Okay. So, sorry guys, interrupt this one because you want to participate what I'm doing. So here it is. Make sure you do like this for your garlic, guys. So this is the I think I may call this 3rd batch of the garlic that I made. The 1st and 2nd batches is already in the greenhouse. Greenhouse is nice and bit warm, same time it's nice and cool. So here I put this one like that. Make sure this one will be in the bottom like this, and the other one is the same. Alright guys, here is the one. I've already done this, and then I'm just gonna put this soil a little bit like this. See, make sure you don't put it very deep into point the roots, they can reach on the top. So just put it just like that, one push and you'll be fine. Okay, so yeah, ito lang kadali guys. It's just quick to go. Some are smaller, not so small, just medium one. Okay. And then after this I'm going to get the hay, and then I'm gonna put hay on the top. Same thing with this. So I got still 2 left. Probably I'm gonna put 1 each in the middle. Alright, so 2. Oh, there is still, actually this one is still 1 in the middle here, and the same thing here. So 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 4, 6, 7. Oh, so therefore I got 1 here, that bit more space because the one I put in the middle already. So yeah, that's how you do it guys. And then you put the sea salt solution like this in the thing, so they will just gonna create more nice roots in there. Same thing I do with the other one. I hope this one will do too. Some will go really good like that one. So So I don't water them because the soil is very much wet in the bottom. This soil is from also potato that I've been planted them, so I use that for this. Alright. So after a few days, I'm not gonna give them water though. Instead, I put this in the greenhouse and make sure they are in the sun to create more nice warm environment. So this one now, I put the water solution and sea salt solution with water. Then I'm just gonna cook this with hay or even the dry leaves. You can do that. The reason we put the slight sea salt or seaweed solution, so these things, it won't be, I mean, the roots will be quicker to propagate. They grow nicely and thrive really well. That's the main purpose here. So that's the way you do with the spacing for this goodies. So now guys, we have to wait patiently for this. Patient is the key. We're waiting for your garlic. It took 7 to 8 months if you're in Australia. Again, it depends which state you are in Australia. In the other part of the world, between 8 or 9 before they harvest it. So yeah guys, that's it for today. So after the video, I'm just gonna go get the hay, and then I put this in the hay, and then I chuck this in the greenhouse. So I'm not gonna water them because the sea salt is good for it. So I want hay for this on the top for sugar cane mulch, so creating really good temperature for this garlic and retain bit of moist, so I don't have to water them every day. Instead, every second day or every third day. It depends. If you stick your hand like that and it's kind of dry, then it's time for you to get water, mess them at least until they grow, because the rest they grow really well now, and it's taller in the styro box. The rest in the huge pot with the 28 liters. So nice and grow, and then it gonna grow more of the leaves too. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this too guys. So I'm gonna put this one here. It's like a 3rd week of April I posted this. I still got time for this. So I think that's it for today. I'm probably not gonna add any more of this garlic for now. I had enough garlic for me, so this is really like experimenting. So yeah, I see you soon guys for the updates for this. For the meantime, the patience is the key for the garlic, so we have to wait for that. Actually, you have to, because they are hungry feeders, so you have to give them fertilizer. Organic I used like sea salt, but this time I used the Siperia, a really nice pure granule sea soil made here in Australia locally. And yeah, that's what I do. So I noticed with my plants like times 2, times 3 bigger than that, and it's a natural fertilizer. Beautiful sea soil. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna use. But this time I'm not gonna put sea soil, Siperia seaweed granules, mix it with the water. Instead, I will wait until they get some leaves. Then once they got leaves, then it's time to give them a go. Maybe in a month or so, I'll see. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Whew, it's cold here right now. It's still nice in autumn because in the afternoon or daytime it's still nice and warm. That's it. Subscribe if you want to come and follow us along for more tips and also more updates as well. Bye. Taksamikit guys, and have a great day. See you. Bye. Ciao. Mabuhay everybody. Long live. Stay well guys, and happy gardening Australia, all over the world too. Bye. Cheers. Bye.